So in this video, you'll learn how to view notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So previously on the previous Samsung models, whenever you wanted to view notifications, all you needed to do is simply swipe down from the top of your screen to view the quick settings panel, and then underneath quick settings, you should see notifications. However, with this new generation of Samsung, viewing notifications is slightly different. If you ever want to find notifications on your phone, you have to swipe down from the top left corner of the screen. So if you swipe down from the top left corner like this, then you'll be brought to your notifications menu, and you can actually be able to read through any notifications that you've received on your phone. If you want to clear them, you can just tap on clear, and then the notifications will disappear from this panel. You also have the option of viewing notifications by starting by accessing quick settings. So when you access quick settings like this, then you just swipe right, and you'll see again the notifications panel is still there. So those are the two ways you can view notifications on your Galaxy A36. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.